Right now we are here in Nusa Penida, which is an island just off kind of mainland of Bali, and we've actually been here now for roughly about 3 days, and to be honest we haven't got up to too much so far. We've really just been kind of chilling out, relaxing, catching up on a bit of sleep and a bit of work as well, because we have felt so wrecked after we done the IGN hike in East Java. We were just knackered, and plus we done so much driving this past couple of days as well. But the place we're staying at the minute is called the Hotra Hill Cottages, and it has been the perfect place just for us to relax and unwind a little bit here. It is so cozy, so nice. We're staying in this wee A-frame house that's right behind me here. They are honestly beautiful. It's way out in the hills overlooking the sea and the coast here right in the island. It is gorgeous and we have had a blast staying here. The rooms are beautiful inside. They're so kind of quirky and cool, and the bed is amazing as well. We've probably spent like too long in the bed, I would say, just lying sleeping as well. So I'll make sure to leave the link for it here in the description as well, because we have loved our stay here so far. But because we haven't got out to see much of the island so far, that is the main goal for the day. We're hoping to head out and do a couple of the main things to check out and to kind of see and do here on the island, which is to swim with manta rays, which are like a huge big sea creature. They're meant to be absolutely beautiful, that surround the island here. And then we're also going to go check out the like ultimate famous and kind of Instagram picture perfect kind of location here on the island as well, that I can't remember the name of, but we're going to go see it anyway later on. So we're going to get on the road now, because I think we have roughly about a 1 hour motorbike drive to get to the manta kind of viewpoint where we can then get in and snorkel with them. So we are super buzzing, so let's get on the road.
I'm excited, let's go, woo! Come on!
So we have just arrived at the Manta Viewpoint Cliff. We think anyway. It was a bit of a crazy road to get here. We didn't expect the bumpy kind of lanes that we were on at all. A lot of the roads here in Penida aren't really roads. They're like wee narrow kind of paths, and they're a wee bit crazy. But we're here, we're somewhere. We were actually looking for like a point that we could go down to like the bottom of the water, walk in, and then have a bit of a swim around with the manta rays. But our Google Maps and kind of the reading that we were doing brought us to this location, which is like a cliff. So we think this is like a viewpoint you can look down to actually see the manta rays swimming. So we're gonna go over here, check it out first, and then hopefully try to find a way down to the bottom to actually go swimming with them as well. So we're excited.
We are up so high right now. There's such a drop. Absolutely incredible though. So beautiful. So now that we've made it up to the viewpoint here, it's definitely not the swimming spot that we originally thought we were coming to, but it is absolutely gorgeous. The viewpoint here is so nice. We're overlooking cliffs the whole way down the coast here. It is absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna stay around here, enjoy the views, but hopefully get back on the bike and find some swimming spots for us today.
So that wasn't the stop off that we were hoping for or expecting. We literally couldn't see any manta rays at all, and there was no way at all we could get down to the water to even get in either. And when we were about to leave, a few other people pulled in as well, and they were in the same situation as us, looking for the manta point, trying to find somewhere to go swimming with them, and it just doesn't seem to be here. But this is where like Google brings you and tells you to go if you're looking to go swimming with them. So I just really don't know. But I do think that we're going to have to maybe try to organise for tomorrow to do some sort of tour package deal to go swimming with them. So that's our basically conclusion for today. So we're going to hop back on the bike now, go check out a few viewpoints on the island, and just see what else we can find. Okay, so we have just arrived to the Kelingking viewpoint. We think that's how it's pronounced, and this is basically like the most popular thing to do here in the island, and probably the main reason people come to Nusa Penida as well is to see this viewpoint. You literally see it all over the internet. It looks absolutely stunning, and it also kind of looks like there's like a T-Rex shaped kind of mountainy kind of cliff kind of area. So we're really looking forward to checking it out and just seeing what all the fuss is about, and if it is as beautiful in person as what we see online as well.
So when we got into the car park, there were so many cars everywhere, but as we're walking in, there's quite a few people leaving, so hopefully there's not going to be too many people over at the viewpoint when we get there. But it looks absolutely gorgeous. There's loads of different places to stop and get food as well, which is really good. But we're going to make our way down to the viewpoint now, and I'm so excited.
So we have just arrived at the viewpoint, and it is insane is the only word I can use to describe it. It is way nicer looking in person than what I've seen in pictures. The beach below us looks amazing. The colour of the water is just incredible, the blue in it, and it's just mind-blowing. It is so nice. So I think we're going to make the big walk down to the very bottom to the beach, because it just looks too good not to go to, and there's very little people on it as well. So this is maybe as far as we're going to get today, because I think we could spend quite a bit of time down here in this beach, but just check out this view.
Wow, it's absolutely gorgeous.
You ready for the walk?
Yeah, I've heard it's meant to be quite bad, but it doesn't look that bad. It
Let's
looks
go.
It's gonna be okay. It doesn't even look real.
It is hot and sweaty, and today probably would have been a good day to not wear sliders or flip-flops as well. Could have done with a good walking shoe or a good sandal, something a wee bit more secure in the feet, because this path is a bit rocky and rough.
So I think this might be the most starstruck, surprised I've ever been by a location. It doesn't even look real, everything just looks so perfect, so picturesque. It's like a painting. It's so beautiful, and I cannot wait to get down and get into that water.
When we first met.
The steps have ended. We are now into no man's land.
Rocky ground.
Rocky ground.
How are you getting on?
Yeah, not so bad. It'll be fun coming up. The waves are so insane. People are just being wiped out down there. This is basically rock climbing.
Whew, it is tough.
It is fun though, but I did not expect the path to be like this.
It is hard.
It's getting tough, I'm not gonna lie. And there's quite a bit of congestion as well.
Whew, I am literally dripping. It is so warm, so sweaty, and this path is proper tough as well. And I've actually had to take off my sliders, and I'm going barefoot because I'm just sliding out of them. It's way too dangerous. So being barefoot's a new element in the game as well, but we're nearly there. Woo! We're nearly there! We finally made it.
Woo! Get me in that water! So in terms of the wave against Aisling, the wave most definitely won. I got wiped out I don't know how many times, but that was so much fun. I was standing at the top laughing at people earlier that was getting wiped out by the waves, but they are not taking any prisoners. It was so much fun, so refreshing. So we're gonna chill down here and just dry off before we take on those massive steps again. How beautiful! Woo.
This place is honestly absolutely insane. Like, I thought probably Maya Bay in Thailand was like the nicest beach I've ever been to. And this is completely blew it out of the park. This one is way nicer. I would say without even a doubt in my mind, this is the nicest beach I've ever set foot on in my life. It is just amazing. Well worth the walk down as well.
So we're getting closer to sunset now and the beach is really starting to clear out. So it's finally time to make the climb back up. It's probably going to take us like a half an hour, if not longer. But yeah, it's time to just go up. Unfortunately, we have to leave.
Bye bye Paradise Beach. Bye.
I don't want to leave.
I don't want to leave.
I don't want to leave.
And here's the exit.
As if the path wasn't mad enough, I had to put a ladder on the end of it as well.
And we have to make our way the whole way up to there.
Sure that's not, hun.
We got this.
Woo. Whew. This is mad.
This is tough going.
I'm dripping.
That is bloody tough. Holy shit, lads.
That was a climb.
That is such a climb up. It is actually so tough, and like we do quite a lot of hiking, quite a lot of walking, and that was a bloody challenge to say the least. Like,
You needed all hands, like it was
Yeah.
like scrambling.
it was tough, but we made it. It is so worthwhile doing the walk down there as well. Honestly, the beach is just out of this world. It is next level, and the view here is amazing.
I think it's possibly one of the like most impressive, prettiest places
Yeah.
I've ever been to.
I would say so.
So what a day.
What a day, what a day. And like where we're sitting at the minute here is just amazing. Like, look at this view that we're literally just sitting overlooking at the minute.
By ourselves.
Oh, so good.
Not a person around.
Literally nobody around. Everybody goes to like a wee viewpoint way over here. That's where like the tours and stuff drop you off, and like there's literally like nobody here. So it's so nice and so worthwhile going that wee bit extra out of the road. So definitely we love this place so much. Unfortunately the manta rays didn't work out for us, but we are going to try our best now on the way home to kind of get in touch with somebody about the manta rays to do a tour tomorrow morning. So we are going to leave this video here, and hopefully tomorrow we'll pick it up again somewhere maybe out at sea with some manta rays. We'll wait and see. So hopefully we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.